First, go to www.stswr.ca. Click on Transportation Eligibility. At the top of the page, click on Can I Ride a Bus? Now, enter your street number, your street name, the municipality, and the board. Next, choose your grade. JK, grade 1, grade 2. The F stands for French immersion. And a little bit lower down, you'll see E. E stands for ESL or ELD magnet programs. And down here it will say, yes, you are eligible for transportation. That means a bus can come, or no, you are not eligible for transportation. And that means you'll have to find your own way to get to school.